Welcome back to another one of our Blue Coast blogs. If you're planning on buying your first home, you're not gonna want to miss this. I'm your friendly neighborhood realtor man, Kevin Ryan, and I'm with Blue Coast Realty. And today we're diving headfirst into the world of financial readiness. For all you first-time home buyers, buckle up, because we're about to drop some knowledge bombs that'll turbocharge your financial game. All right, number one, grab a pen and paper and start jotting down all your debts. We're talking names of creditors, interest rates, minimum payments, and balances. This magical list will give you the power to prioritize the debts and craft a foolproof plan of paying them off. It's time to take control of your financial destiny, my friends. Now, on to tip number 2. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses like a hawk. Find those sneaky areas you're splurging a little too much and cut like a little lean, mean, spending frugal machine. By slashing unnecessary expenses, you'll free up moolah and tackle your debts and sock away cash for the sweet down payment. Cha-ching! Next up, tip 3, pay off your debt. There are gazillion strategies for this one, but let me drop 2 gems on you. Option A, start by crushing those high interest debts first. Attack them like a fury of hurricane and wipe them off the face of the earth. Option B, begin with the smaller debts, knock them down one by one, and bask in your glory with quick victories. The momentum will be fuel for the fire. On to tip 4, the credit score boosters. Listen up, pay your bills on time every time. Don't be slacking on those payments. They're the lifeblood of your credit score. Keep the credit utilization low, and if you're feeling fancy, grab a secured credit card and use it responsibly to build up your credit history. Swipe wisely. Tip 5, save like a down payment boss. Open up a dedicated savings account and show it some love with regular contributions. You can even automate your savings so it's as effortless as binging your favorite Netflix series. Say goodbye to that expensive habit and hello to home ownership dreams coming true. Hold on tight, because tip number 6 is coming like it's hot. You need to avoid new debt. If you're serious about ditching debt and boosting that credit score, steer clear of temptation. Don't go bonkers on credit purchases and resist the urge to take a new moderate or substantial debts. We're talking about financial discipline here, guys. Stay strong. Tip 7, seek professional advice. Trust me, everyone needs a financial advisor in their life. These superheroes can help you craft a personalized plan and dish out even mind-blowing tips and resources that level you up in your financial game. Don't underestimate the power of their wisdom. My friends, they are what you need. And now, the grand finale tip, number 8, save tax-free. Don't forget that you can make and use your RSPs to buy a home with Homebuyers plan, but Canada also has a new sheriff in town, the FHSA, the First Home Savings Account. Prospective first-time home buyers can save for their home tax-free up to certain limits. That's just incredible. Thanks for tuning in. And it's been a blast, and welcome home to the Blue Coast.